Hi, I'm Barb from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and I am going to show you something fun today. Actually, a couple of things. Now, you all know how to do the rolled hem, right? Should we set that up?
Yeah, we're going to set it up for a rolled hem.
I've got a 3-thread overlock going already. I'm going to put...
What does that mean, 3-thread?
Well, it just means you have 3 threads going in. You got 1 needle and 2 loopers. All right, so this is where
you've already threaded it.
I've got it all threaded.
Okay.
And then I'm going to turn it into just off the one.
That's a rolled hem because...
that's a rolled hem because it says rolled hem right there.
Okay.
And over here, I'm going to be on stitch selector D.
Okay.
And that's really it.
That's it?
That is it.
And it's in neutral.
Yep. But we're going to get into that one in a minute. All right, I just have my regular foot on, and all I'm doing is a rolled hem because I'm going to show you what we can do. So maybe you need a ruffle for a pillow or something, okay? So there's
the other
beautiful rolled edge. Look at that. Isn't that great?
That is.
All right, now I'm going to go back into my 3-thread overlock. So I'm going to change my 2 stitches settings back. I'm going to go into...
You're still using 3 threads.
3 threads. And this I'm going to bump up to B. But now I'm going to go up to there on my differential. Okay, you know what that does? Because there's 2 sets of feed dogs. The back one is steady and constant, and the front one can go faster, longer, whatever you set it up to do.
Okay.
All right, so, and I've got my regular foot on, just like I did before.
You don't have a ruffler?
I don't. I just have my regular foot, and look what it's going to do.
Oh my gosh.
Is that amazing? I love it.
Unbelievable.
I look for anything to put ruffles on.
I know.
Because I love it so much.
A little bit of work if you don't have this.
If you don't have a nice, easy way to do it. But that's a pretty good 2-to-1 ruffle.
And when I try and make a ruffle, I break the thread.
Oh, trying to pull it through?
And then I have to go across the room and pick it up.
You don't want to do that. Okay.
Because I've thrown it.
All right. Don't throw it. Okay, so I want you to look at that for just a minute.
Okay.
And
look at how nice that is. Yeah, if we have to gather our own ruffle, mine does not look like that. And plus your edge is all nice too. Where you've ruffled, you don't have all the little threads going all over. This is amazing, Barb.
It really is amazing. I love it. Okay, now, but we're going to do some magical stuff now.
I love magical.
We are. Okay, I'm going to get my ruffling foot out.
Oh, okay.
Comes like this.
Yes, with the instructions in it.
This is what it looks like. And the instructions are all right here.
Okay.
You've got
Tells you how to put your fabrics in.
And of course, you're going to put this sample in your book.
Yes.
Remember the book? Where'd the book go? Is it sitting behind you?
Where did it go?
I don't know.
I think you put it away in the drawer.
Okay. All right. So this is the foot right here. Let me compare the two. I'm going to pop my foot off. This is just a regular foot that comes on your machine.
Okay.
Okay.
This is what comes with the machine.
That is what it is.
This
is my ruffling foot. Look how weird that is.
That is amazing. But I know what it does, so now I'm excited.
I wanted to show you that you can still ruffle with this foot.
Yes.
But this foot was designed to make ruffles. But what is going to be fun is because it has this space up in here, it's going to, if the fabric you put in the top is going to miss that front feed dog.
What?
So it's not going to ruffle the top fabric.
Okay, I get it. I get it.
So let me put that foot on.
Because you don't want one part of it to ruffle.
I don't.
You're putting it on the end of a dress or something on the bottom,
you're going to connect them all together at once, which is really cool.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so there's my ruffle fabric. I'm going to put right side up.
Okay.
I'm going to put it right up.
That's what's going to ruffle.
This is what's going to ruffle. Now, it's a little hard to get it under there a little bit because you've got that flange.
Now, Barb, I got a question.
Yes. What's that?
You would normally do your edge, right? First?
I would.
Okay.
I would do
so
mine.
that edge would be finished.
That would, but this one is not because I don't have that done. All right, I've got 1 needle stitch into my ruffle because I want that to stay put.
And how close to the edge? Right by the...
I'm going to go right
cutter?
against the blade. Yep.
Okay, the blade.
And now I'm going to put this one face down on top of it.
Look at where she puts it.
right
Right up
in
to the edge
between.
there.
Yep, I'm going to put it right up where I'm going to be going. All right, now the thing you have to
And
kind
you
of
put it
watch here.
past that little hole.
I did. It's gonna go right into the needle.
Okay.
Okay. Now they're both connected.
Okay.
So now these will have a tendency to want to move this way.
Oh, really? Both
So
of them?
yeah, so
you
you've
gotta
got to
keep
hang
track.
on to them. And I wouldn't go as fast as I normally would want to go.
I got a question. Is
What's
your
that?
fabric underneath at the same place as you've got your top?
What
pulled
do
it
you
to
mean
the
by that?
right.
I'm
You're
pulling it a
pulling-
little bit to the right.
How do I know where my bottom piece is?
Well, I'm cutting
So
a
I don't
little
miss
bit
it.
off. I'm cutting a little bit off of both. Okay, I'm at the end. I'm going to shoot it out and let you see what just happened.
Oh my goodness.
Is that amazing?
That would make a great little sleeve for little girl,
Or
not
a
for me.
skirt, or a pillow,
Oh,
or
a pillow.
uh,
I would make a pillow.
a sham, something.
Oh, that's awesome.
Or even a dust cover. I mean, look how fun that is. Don't you want to do that now?
I do. I want to make a pillow.
Okay, you can make it. Here,
let's-
this is yours.
Thank you.